The Portland cement line, gypsum, slag, etc. The aggregates are selected from lightweight, porous materials such as pumice or cinders, etc. The fifth one is X-ray shielding mortar. This is the type of mortar used for the providing plastering coat, wall and ceilings of X-ray cabinets. It is a very heavy type of mortar with the density of over 22 kN per meter cube. The aggregate are obtained from heavy rock and suitable admixtures are adding to enhance the property of such mortar. So properties of good mortars. So definitely they will ask in exam these questions. What are the different properties of mortar which is used for the construction work? Explain briefly. They will ask 6 to 8 marks. See, the important properties of good mortar mix are mobility, the placeability and the water retention. The term mobility is used to indicate consistency of mortar mix which may be range from stiff to fluid. The mobility of mortar mix depends upon the composition of mortar and the mortar mixes to be used for masonry work, finishing work, etc. are made sufficiently mobile. The placeability or ease with which the mortar mix can be placed with minimum cost and in a thin and uniform layer over the surface depends upon the mobility of the mortar. The placeability of the mortar mix should be such that a strong bond should be developed with the surface of the bed. A good mortar mix should be possesses the ability of retaining adequate humidity during the transportation and laying over the porous bed. If water retention power of the mortar mix is low, it is separate into layers during the transportation, and when it comes into contact with the porous bed such as the brick, wood, etc., it gives away its water of the surfaces. Thus the mortar becomes poor in amount of water and the remaining water proves to be insufficient for the hardening. Hence it is required to strength of the mortar will not be achieved with such mortar mix. So some of the following categories of properties of good mortars. First, it should be capable of developing good adhesion with the building units such as bricks, stones. Second, it should be capable of developing the design stresses. Third, it should be capable of resisting the penetration of rainwater. Fourth, it should be cheap. Fifth, it should be durable. And finally, it should be easily workable. That is very important.